day, everyone. Today, we're talking about the consequences of failing the preservation nature. Let's start with the simple questions. Never have I ever tried to look around and pick up some trash and gives you a deep breath and just because you did something in a positive. Have you ever tried to give yourself some time to think about the environmental impact? Every one of us uses on earth resources every day. Whenever it's the soil we walk on, water we drink, the air that we breathe, and the energy that powers our phone. Our planets take care of us, so why don't we do the same and be grateful of what we have?
Now, let's dive in on how our population is growing, causing us to use more resources. As our population grows, the demand for resources increases. We can't avoid wasting these assets because many of us are not aware, and some of us are aware, but just ignore the fact that we are wasting them.
This alarming issue can affect our daily lives. For us to be informed about this kind of news, in our environment, based on my experience, this kind of environment still needs some actions. They still need some encouragement to make up this community. I always think something that can also give us a lesson, like an RNG resource, that we can consume electricity using UV rays, which contains solar panels. See, we can actually work together by encouraging each other by protecting our planet. We don't have a planet B to create other critical issues about our global crisis.
One.
Let's start with something we all walk on. It isn't just dirt, as you may see, but it's a whole living ecosystem where it supports half our food production. However, in today's time, we face a problem where extensive farming, deforestation, and excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides reduces and harms the fertility rate of the soil. If this trend continues, we will likely lose access to healthy soil that's the very foundation of our food supply. Try to imagine a world without healthy soil, failed crops, ecosystems starting to collapse, and food security rates degrade.
Now, let's talk about energy. It powers our homes, our phones, and devices, and also our daily appliances. However, energy comes in various forms. Non-renewable forms such as burning of coal, oil, and fossil fuels that release harmful chemicals into the atmosphere. When these elements burn, that may cause further air pollution, respiratory issues on human health, and can likely take a part in greenhouse gases emission. But there's still hope. Energy resources powered by solar panels, hydropower, geothermal energy, and wind turbine. These technologies offer us a more cleaner and sustainable access to energy without depleting nature's natural resources that can help us prolong this energy for future generations to come.
Next we have water. Water is everywhere until it's not. It nourishes our body, provides a living ecosystem for marine life, and sustains half the world's food supply. Yet, we tend to waste it daily through inefficient irrigation, pollution, and unchecked consumption. When these sources are contaminated, it negatively affects various communities and ecosystems such as wildlife suffers, human health declines, and access to clean water becomes scarce.
Last but definitely not the least, let's talk about waste management, a practice we all learned from early ages, knowing the basics like reduce, reuse, recycle, but do we really practice these practices? We live in a world where we see constant trash and waste scattered in the streets, plastic and glass waste found in the depths of oceans and lakes that negatively affect its wildlife, accessibility to human consumption. Garbage found in sewages that causes rapid floods that carry infectious disease such as leptospirosis that can harm human health. All these factors often lead to improper waste disposal, and if left untreated or unchanged, it may cost us, our environment, access to clean water and a public health crisis.
But all hope is not yet lost, as we can still help our planet and environment in fighting these issues. From small practices such as throwing our trash away, composting leftover foods, proper waste segregation, saving water, to community cleanings, using all natural fertilizers and pesticides, to switching to solar panels and other renewable energy sources, it can create a big impact in sustaining and helping our environment. May it be small or big change, we can all make a change one way or another.
To sum it all up, soil, water, energy, and waste aren't just resources we see and use in our everyday lives. As we experience it, resources problem firsthand, it is clear that we need to take responsibilities for the damage we have caused, the challenges we face today, and are the direct result of our own action.
We have looked at the causes of these problems, how they affect all of us, and the simple steps we can take to prevent the disappearance of natural resources. Since our Earth continues to provide us with vital resources like soil, water, and air every day, it is only fair that we return the favor by protecting and preserving them. Protecting our planet is not the job of a few. It is the responsibility of all of us who live here. Small actions can create big impacts. It's not hard to pick up trash, save water, or make other simple choices that protect our home. Let's start making smart decisions and small efforts today to keep our Earth healthy for a better future.